Hello analysts, welcome back to FinTech, where money meets systems. In today's episode, it's all about the code behind the currency, APIs, and embedded finance. Embedded finance means financial services built directly into software platforms, rideshare apps offering debit cards, marketplaces handling escrow, e-commerce platforms offering lending. This works because of APIs. APIs allow systems to communicate securely. They abstract banking complexity into programmable endpoints. Before we explore the tools powering modern fintech, let's start with the infrastructure layer, banking as a service, or simply BaaS. This blueprint illustrates how fintech companies access regulated banking capabilities. First, a fintech company partners with a banking as a service provider, which is typically a licensed financial institution. The fintech pays this provider to access banking capabilities such as account creation, payments, and card issuing. Next, the BaaS provider exposes these capabilities through secure APIs. These APIs act as a bridge between the regulated banking system and modern software platforms. Finally, the fintech company uses those APIs to build new financial services, such as digital wallets, debit card programs, or embedded payment solutions. Instead of becoming a bank itself, the company builds on top of existing banking infrastructure. This model allows software companies to launch financial products quickly while regulated institutions handle compliance and custody. Banking capabilities become programmable services. Infrastructure companies like Marqeta enable modern card issuing. Adyen powers global payment processing. And Plaid connects financial accounts to applications. These companies monetize abstraction. Now, let's explore several companies building the infrastructure behind embedded finance. First is Adyen, a global payments infrastructure platform. Adyen allows businesses to accept payments online, in apps, and in physical stores through a unified system. Next is Marqeta, which provides modern card issuing infrastructure. Companies use Marqeta's APIs to create debit cards, prepaid cards, and virtual cards for their users. We then look at Stripe, specifically its developer documentation. Stripe helped popularize the idea that financial services can be integrated directly into software using simple APIs. Next is Plaid, whose APIs allow applications to securely connect to users' bank accounts and retrieve financial data. We also explore Galileo Financial Technologies, which provides the core banking infrastructure used by many fintech platforms. Finally, there's Unit, which enables software companies to embed bank accounts, cards, and payment services directly into their products. Together, these companies represent the modern fintech infrastructure stack. Instead of becoming a bank, a company can integrate with one. Embedded finance expands revenue models. Software becomes the financial interface. When you understand APIs, you understand modern fintech scalability, because behind every clean interface is layered infrastructure. Now, we can zoom out to the full embedded finance ecosystem. Everything begins with the end user, someone interacting with the digital product. That user engages with the software platform, such as an e-commerce marketplace, ride-sharing app, or a SaaS platform. Instead of redirecting users to traditional banks, these platforms embed financial services directly into the product experience. Behind the scenes, the platform connects to a payment facilitator and API layer, which coordinates financial transactions. This layer communicates with issuing banks, acquiring banks, and card networks to authorize and process payments. Fraud checks, compliance systems, and payment routing all occur within this infrastructure. To the end user, the experience feels simple and seamless. But underneath, the interface is a complex network of financial systems working together. This is embedded finance. Financial services disappear into the background, and software becomes the new financial interface. Next, we close the series by looking forward. AI, risk, and digital trust. I'm Raheem Kareem, and this is FinTech, where money meets systems.